Hi everyone, I am Yasuko and it's time for Mustache Monday. For viewers' request, and in fact I got the same request from Canada and India on the same day. This week I'm going to show you the acupressure points and reflexology points for gallstones. Press these points for 1 minute as you breathe deeply, at least once a day. These will help alleviate the pain associated with the gallstones and get rid of the gallstones if they are small enough. The first one is under the knee. There is a small bone sticking out on the outside of the leg. It's a depression underneath. This is called gallbladder 34 or GB34. Press both sides at the same time with your thumbs, hook thumbs, index finger joints, or any other fingers of your choice. Go down about a thumb width from the GB34 and you'll feel another depression, most likely with tenderness or pain. This is called gallbladder point. It's not on the major 14 meridians. Again, press both sides at the same time with your thumbs, hook thumbs, index finger joints, or any other finger of your choice. Lighten up the pressure if it's too painful. The last one is on the top of the foot. Go up the valley between the pinky and fourth toe, and it's where the finger stops. This is called gallbladder 41 or GB41. If you have a hard time reaching your foot, use a tool such as pencil eraser to press these points. Now the reflexology point. As you may know, in reflexology, you can map out the entire body on the bottom of the feet. Where the color changes below the ball of the foot is diaphragm. Right below the diaphragm is the liver. The horizontal line from the arch is the waist. To locate the gallbladder by the liver, come down from the fourth and pinky toe, and it's between the diaphragm and waistline. Since the gallbladder is located on the right side of the body, it's only on the right foot. Press this area with overlapped thumbs, or step on a golf ball, or a small knob on the theracane. Like I did last week, I think stepping on the theracane sitting on the chair is the easiest. I hope this is helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you back next week. Make it a great week. Feel free to comment below and please don't forget to subscribe.